Vlogmas day 4. It's already late afternoon. It's like 3:15. I still haven't opened my advent calendar, so I'm gonna do that right now. Grayson is napping. I went out for a drive with him because he was not going to sleep to take a nap here. I don't know what his deal was. So I'm like, you know what, we're going in the car and I can get some work done on my phone because he always falls asleep in the car no matter what. So we did that, and then I realized I needed my laptop for something that I had to post for a brand. So we came back here and I ended up putting him back to sleep. He went down pretty easily because he was still a bit tired. It was only like an hour that we were gone, and usually he takes like a 2 to 2.5, almost 3-hour nap sometimes. So he's currently still napping. Already day 4. That's crazy. I'm pretty exhausted today because I've been going to bed at like 1:30 a.m. almost every single night from doing Vlogmas and editing. I'm only doing the 7 days, not the full 25. I feel like that's a good mix. Personally, I love doing Vlogmas. It's just with a child, it's very hard. So I'm glad that I'm doing the 7 days, because then after that I feel like I'll get to actually enjoy this time more with him. Not that I'm not enjoying my time now with him, but it's just a bit stressful staying up late and doing all the editing and stuff. But I don't know, I kind of like it in a way. I'm just tired, so it's okay. But day 4, this says your derms go-to for glow. We all know I love a glow. Tone correcting treatment. Visibly improves dullness, discoloration, and uneven skin tone for radiant complexion. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles. So here is day 4. I think what I'm gonna do now actually is get started on making dinner while he's still sleeping. Although I don't know what to make. This is my struggle every day. I'm like, what do I make for food? What are you doing? Can you get off the counter, please? I might just keep it simple and do like chicken sausage, rice, and veggies. In 2026, I really want to get on my cooking grind and just make different recipes. I feel like I make the same things over and over again just because it's easy, but I definitely want to get more into making different things because I'm just so sick of eating the same things over and over. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Like I said, keeping it simple. Just gonna do sausage, peppers, and broccoli for a veggie, and then some rice. I just get the 3-pack little rice packets from either Shaw's or Wegmans, although I want to stop doing this because microwaving in plastic is not the best. But sometimes when you just don't feel like doing the whole boiling the water and all that stuff, even though it's not that much work, this is just so much easier. But I need to stop buying those because it's not the best for you. This chicken sausage is so good. This is my favorite brand. I'm just gonna chop everything up, put it on a sheet pan, and do it in the oven. Still don't have an island or anything. I cannot find one that I like for a good price. I don't want it to be too big either because I want to put a dining table over right here against this wall. The fact that we still don't have a place to sit down and eat is kind of insane. We've been here a month. I just haven't found anything that I like, and I don't want to spend a ton of money. Someone woke up from their nap. Want to help me? Let's put a little bit of olive oil on the pepper, or not the pepper, what am I saying? The sausage. We'll do like that much.
Oh, wow.
Olive oil, that's right. Hot? Yeah, it's not hot right now, but it will be. Can you get me the red pepper? Where's the red pepper?
Papa.
Pepper. What? You want to bring this up in there? I am so relaxed right now. Oh my gosh, I just had the most much needed self-care night. This is not gonna stay on my face while I talk. Whatever. Someone actually commented on my video. I think it was the Vlogmas that I posted today, and they were basically just saying that they watched my video that I posted a few weeks ago when I was just talking about like my mental health and how I'm not really doing that well mentally and just going through a lot and struggling in motherhood, personal life, things like that. And she was like, you should just really record like whatever you're doing, your skincare, but not talk, and just like film it and listen to some music, a podcast, meditation, whatever. So I'm like, you know what? You are so right. A self-care night for myself tonight. I gave Grayson a bath, put him into bed, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take a bath. I can't even remember the last time I took a bath. I did a meditation in the bath, which was like life-changing in itself. You know what? I'm just gonna take this off because it's been on for enough time and it just keeps sliding off my face. So I did a meditation in the bath. One of my favorite channels since it's meditation. I can't remember the last time I did a meditation. It's just crazy when you're so caught up in life and in motherhood and just things going on that you just like forget to do things that you normally do. Like meditation was always part of my routine. My 5-minute journal was always part of my routine. I just haven't been doing those types of things. With Grayson just growing older and being a toddler now, I'm just still trying to like navigate how to plan my day and like where and when to fit things in. I really need to start meditating every day again because it's crazy what just like 5 minutes can do. I think the one that I did was 10 minutes and I'm so exhausted. I literally fell asleep towards the end of it. The only reason I woke up was because when the video ended, an ad started and it like startled me. I'm like, oh my god, I literally just fell asleep while meditating in the tub because I'm just so tired. So I feel so relaxed right now. I did some skincare, I did a face mask, obviously like you saw, and now I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. My cute little mug. My Santa, what is he doing? He's skiing. I got this at Target. Put on a Christmas movie while I edit this vlog. It's definitely not on the longer side, so I apologize for that. I always feel like my vlogs need to be at least like 15 minutes or more. Cat's feeder just went off, if you hear that in the back. They're like scavengers for food. It's insane. Like when I watch YouTube vlogs, I like them to be on the longer side. I feel like you guys like that too. Got this new hot chocolate a couple weeks ago. I actually saw this on a Facebook reel. I was scrolling on Marketplace and it just like popped up of this lady at Target going through all the hot chocolates and like which one is not really the healthiest but like the cleanest ingredients, I guess. This brand, I've actually never heard of them. Equal Exchange. Doesn't have any like corn syrup or anything. Pretty clean ingredients if you care about that. It's actually really yummy too. They have milk chocolate, I believe, as well, but I like the dark hot chocolate. Damn it, I just spilled it everywhere. Every time I use this frother to mix up the hot chocolate, it just spills everywhere. But it's so much easier to use this rather than a spoon or something because it doesn't really mix all the way. I don't have any marshmallows, but I have some fluff. Not like this is healthy or anything. See, this is why it's called balance, because I'm having a healthier hot chocolate and then eating this junk, whatever the hell is in fluff. The first ingredient is corn syrup. That's funny. I used to eat peanut butter and fluff sandwiches though all the time when I was a kid. Doing a big scoop because self-care night. This truly is my favorite time of day. It's so cozy. I'm actually just gonna have this vlog going on YouTube instead of a Christmas movie because I don't really feel like watching a movie and paying attention to it while I edit. I had the Polar Express on earlier and I posted that on my Instagram story and so many people were like, that movie is so creepy, like how are you watching that? But the Polar Express is one of my favorite Christmas movies. Like I see how it's weird and creepy in some scenes, but I really love it. It's one of my favorite movies. But we're just gonna have the vlog going while I drink my hot chocolate and edit this vlog. Really gonna miss when these 7 days are over because I'm such in a routine now with filming, editing, and uploading all on the same day. And I just love sitting on the couch by myself editing. It's like one of my favorite things. But I'm gonna go so we can get this vlog up and hopefully I can get to bed earlier. It's like 11, it's almost 11:30 right now. So hopefully I can get this done pretty quickly. Love you so much. Cheers. I will see you tomorrow.